Hey guys, this is the 90-minute app challenge. My name is Anushka Menon and here I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own game app. So let's get started. Before we create the game though, let's understand what is code. Code is a set of instructions that you write in a logical manner and give to the computer such that the computer understands you. Anything that is created on the computer requires code, be it a software or a website or even a game. Think of the computer as your pet dog or cat if you prefer. When you talk to your dog or cat, you can't talk normally. You have to give them actions or expression for it to understand you, right? In the same way, the computer requires instructions in a very specific manner for it to understand you. This session, we will create code to make your very own version of the Atari Breakout game. You might know this game as DX Ball or Brick Breaker. If you've played any of these games, then you will know that it consists of a ball, a paddle, and bricks. The ball moves randomly to break bricks, and the paddle is controlled by the user. Through the next series of videos, you will learn how to make this particular game and learn how to think and plan like a coder does. If you've already created your very own awesome version of the Flappy Bird game app using our software, then you already know how to code an intro screen. In such a case, if you wish to skip ahead to the game screen tutorials, do so by clicking on video tutorial number 4. If you still think that you need help during the process, then continue with video tutorial number 2.